Welcome back to Ford Mustang Garage. Today we're in the middle of doing a transmission conversion, and I picked up this bell housing for this 4-speed top loader, and she's a little dirty. We just got some of this super clean all-wheel cleaner. So let's give this a shot and see how super the super clean is. And just in case you're wondering why I'm using the all-wheel cleaner on this bell housing, because their standard degreaser, it says right on the bottle not to use on aluminum. It may be because it discolors it, I don't really know. But the wheel cleaner probably should be better for aluminum. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna see how she does. Okay, we'll let that kind of soak up and see what happens. So I haven't spent a whole lot of time cleaning this. I did use my drill with a soft bristle brush, which you're going to want to do with any kind of cleaner, as well as just a regular spray bottle and water to kind of rinse away what I'm cleaning. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, you got a 50-year-old bell housing here that's just got grease caked all over it. So I mean, yeah, I mean, it does pretty good. So here's just kind of like what the rest of the bell housing kind of looks like. And we'll spend a little more time on this and kind of show you the end results of this sucker. Okay, so I am not done by any means on this bell housing, but now that I've been kind of cleaning for a little longer than a couple of minutes, this stuff actually does a pretty good job. It breaks up the grease, and if you're cleaning something like what I am, and you're trying to get in these little crevices, that you definitely need a brush in order to achieve that. But no, this thing's looking pretty good. I mean, I'm going to keep going on it. I'm also going to do the inside here, which is pretty greasy as well. So like the biggest thing that I'm kind of catching on with this super clean is it's pretty potent stuff. So like, you don't want to be using this like without gloves, especially if you're going to use it for, you know, prolonged period of time, or even just a one-time use. Like I wear gloves with anything. These are my girly man gloves. And so yeah, do that. Make sure you have a ventilated area because it's pretty potent stuff. But it works really good. I think they're selling this at AutoZone now. I do a lot of business with AutoZone. Not sure if they're on Amazon. If they are, I'll drop a link below. But anyways, yeah, pretty good cleaner stuff for, you know, when you need some heavy duty stuff done. But yeah, I'm going to keep going on this sucker and see how clean we can get the inside of it and everything. So. Okay, so I think I've spent enough time on this that I want to. A lot of times I'll just send out some of these old parts to the machine shop because they got some really nice heated industrial, you know, cleaners, and it's just kind of easier that way. But if I can spend like, you know, 30 minutes and just kind of get really detailed with my brush and get all this grease off of this sucker, then, you know, that's kind of worth it. And so yeah, there's your results for the exterior of this 50-year-old bell housing that we're going to be installing in this 67 Mustang. Pretty good stuff. I think I'll keep using it and throw out some more videos out there for whatever else we clean up, whether it's you know, carburetors or differentials or wheels, oil pans. I gotta pull the oil pan off this car and put a new gasket on it, so maybe we'll try it out on that oil pan. But anyways, okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that's helpful as far as as far as you know, getting these suckers good and clean for you, and you know, try this kind of stuff out. You can get it at AutoZone. So anyways, good stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.